The new AI robot with a human brain is shocking the world. Have they crossed the line this time? All right, folks, let's dive in. Let's discuss the recent rapid advancements in AI and robotics. It's moving fast, but what's happening in China is next level. They've created an AI robot that's ahead of anything we've seen. When I first heard about it, I was blown away. First, comment below. Can robots with biological brains become real? How would it affect us? Like and share this video on WhatsApp and Telegram to keep your friends informed. Deal? Thanks, let's continue. This isn't your typical silicon-brained robot. These scientists created a robot with a brain made of real living cells. We're talking about a robot with a partly biological brain, redefining AI's essence. Before you picture a cyborg monster, they're calling this a brain on a chip. It sounds futuristic, and it is. Instead of using computer circuits, they grew tiny brain cells and put them on a microchip. They transplanted human-like cognition into a machine, starting a new AI era, but it gets even more complex. Brains are intricate neuron networks, and they recreated this on a tiny chip. It all begins with stem cells, which can become almost any body cell. Scientists took these stem cells and told them to become brain cells, and somehow they pulled it off. They coaxed these cells to grow into an intricate network, mimicking what's found in a human brain. In a sci-fi-like move, they trapped this brain and turned it into a special microchip. Now you might be thinking, that's cool, but why should we care? For me, it's a game changer right off the bat. Most AI we deal with today is based on computer programs, but this robot can learn and adapt like a living creature. It experiments and changes based on what it learns, more like our brains than any previous AI. The implications are huge if you haven't caught on yet. This could revolutionize our understanding of the brain and AI. By studying lab-grown brain networks, we can find new ways to tackle neurological diseases like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. It's not just incredible science, it's something that can change lives. But this technology also raises important ethical questions. At what point does a robot with a living brain become, so to speak, alive? It's no longer just a philosophical question, it's something we might face in the near future. We're far from a Terminator-style robot uprising, but we need to start having serious talks about this tech's implications. It's not just about making smarter machines, it's blurring lines between AI and biological intelligence. We're talking about a future where the boundaries between AI and biotech start to fade. It's exciting, a bit scary, and will change the world as we know it. But with great potential comes great responsibility. We're potentially redefining what it means to be alive and conscious, concepts we must face as a society. But that's the nature of progress. It pushes us out of our comfort zones, forces us to face new realities, and while scary, it's also incredibly exciting. Interestingly, Jeff Bezos and SoftBank invested a staggering $300 million in a startup called Qualified AI. This company isn't focused on labs, human cells, or brains in robots. Instead, they aim to build a completely artificial brain from scratch. They claim to be pioneers in what they call the robot brain, which involves creating an artificial general intelligence, or AGI, that can be installed in any robot, enabling it to perform complex and varied tasks without needing specific programming for each task. Skilled AI, led by Colonel Mellon's brilliant minds, envisions robots handling harsh conditions and performing deft tasks in various settings. AGI aims for human-like robot intelligence, marking a major breakthrough in robotics. Not quite human brains in robots, but still a significant advancement. Indian companies are also joining the robotics race. Zen Technologies and AI Turismo created Prahasta, a four-legged robot named after a tough Hindu warrior. This isn't just a robot dog, it carries an assault rifle, which is frankly alarming. Prahasta, built for defense, uses LiDAR technology to scan surroundings with lasers. Its AI helps understand terrain and plan missions effectively. Zen Technologies released a video showcasing Prahasta's abilities, and it's impressive. The robot climbs stairs, leaps obstacles and gaps like a mechanical gazelle. They claim it can carry a 180-pound adult like a firefighter, potentially saving lives in danger. If knocked down, the robot can stand up alone, a feature called automatic resurrection. Zen also unveiled Barbarian URCWs, the world's lightest remote-controlled weapon station for land or sea use. The Zen team is very excited about these innovations. Their leader, Shashank Lutra, sees these robots as game changers for defense, highlighting robotics in combat and recon. It's human nature, isn't it? We always find a way to turn new technology into weapons. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Zen isn't new to this field. They've been in defense for a while, making systems, anti-drones, and combat simulators. They've sent over 1,000 simulators and training systems worldwide. The future we see includes robots, not just in factories or delivering packages, but on the front lines too. With all this info, I think it's clear we're at a turning point in robotics and AI evolution. From biobrains on chips to defense robots, these innovations will transform our lives in unimaginable ways. I believe we're on the brink of a new era where the line between biology and tech is blurring. This raises some big questions. How much autonomy should we give to armed robots? What are the ethical implications of using AI in defense? Comment below with your thoughts, I want to know. If you find this interesting, like, share, and subscribe to the channel.